For active straight leg raise level 2, day 2, we're going to start out with a happy baby stretch with a new variation where we go to a straight leg. So we're going to start out on our back, try to relax your neck. You can grab the outside of your feet to start, and then go ahead and switch your grips to go elbows on the inside of your knees, but grab the big toes. From here, I breathe in, I get comfortable, and then I'm going to straighten this left leg and roll to that side. And when I want to get back, I'm going to pull that same knee in towards my opposite heel to get back to my back, and then I go the other direction. I'm always stopping at each position. Then from there, we're going to go to core activation, straight leg raise. You can use a band attached to a doorway, or maybe someone else could hold it for you. You're going to start out on your back with your legs straight out from underneath you. I'll try to go on an angle so you can see, although that's not going to work. I'll have to go this way. It's going to be a good strong grip, pull down, and then lift the leg. Grip, pull down, lift the leg. Always reset the arms every time. Grip, pull, and lift. And obviously, we would do both sides. Then we're going to go to some half kneeling transitions. What this looks like, it's going to be our half kneeling position. Hands up overhead, a little bit of a quad hip flexor stretch when I reach up. So the pelvis goes forward. We're going to go ahead and plant our hands on the ground on the inside of this foot. So hands on the ground, and I'm going to slide this foot directly back behind me, and then breathe in on the way up. Hands up overhead, breath in, breath out on the way down, kick this leg through, and bring it back up. Try to be underneath your hip as much as you can. So if I show it from this angle, you can see, I'll do this leg now. Breathe in at the top, breathe out on the way down. I'm going to try to keep this foot in line with my hip. The tendency is for people to come out to the side on the way back or the way forward. You want to kick through here, bring it back up, and then hands out overhead. And then from there, we're going to go to a toe touch progression with a split stance. So what that looks like is right leg behind, left leg in front. Next time you do it, switch the first one. Breathe in at the top, touch the shoulders on the way down. Both hands are going to go back to the back toe. Breathe in at the top, breathe out on the way down. Make sure you do the left foot forward and then switch to the right foot forward. So it's one heel down, one heel up. Breath in at the top, breath out on the way down. If you can't get to your toes, you're allowed to bend your knees so that you can. Remember, it's not just about the toe touch, it's also really more about how you hinge your hips.